Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's talk about some important judgments that shook India. K Gopalan versus State of Madras, 1950. Let's talk about some important facts. In this case, the petitioner was detained under the Preventive Detention Act, 1950. An action is taken beforehand to prevent possible commitment of a crime. Preventive detention, thus, is action taken on grounds of suspicion that some wrong action may be done by the person concerned. The petitioner applied under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution for his release from detention on the ground that the said act contravened the provisions of Article 13, 19, 21 and 22 of the Indian Constitution and was consequently ultra-vires, and that his detention was therefore illegal. What was the question of law? Whether the Preventive Detention Act 1950 violates the fundamental rights guaranteed under the following articles. Article 13. Laws inconsistent with or in derogation of fundamental rights. Article 19 talks about right to freedom, and Article 21 talks about right to life and liberty. Where Article 22 talks about protection against arrest and detention of the Constitution and is therefore void. What the Honorable Supreme Court held? The Honorable Supreme Court held that the Preventive Detention Act does not abridge the detainee's right to freedom guaranteed under the provisions of Article 19 of the Indian Constitution. Delinking Article 19 from Article 21, the court held that the protection given by Article 21 is more general in nature, while Article 19 gives rights specifically only to the citizens of India, while Article 21 is applicable to all persons. Reinterpreting Article 21, the court said that the words procedure established by law in Article 21 are different from due process of law, as mentioned in the United States Constitution in a similar provision. Thirdly, the court said that Article 22 empowers the Parliament to legislate on the subject of preventive detention. Clause 4 to Clause 7 of the same article puts certain limitation on laws relating to preventive detention. Any procedure prescribed under any validly enacted law cannot be held void till the time it does not come in conflict with Article 22, Subarticle 4 to Subarticle 7. In conclusion, the court held that Article 19, 21 and 22 are mutually exclusive, and Article 19 was not to be applied to a law affecting personal liberty to which Article 21 applies. A law that affected life and personal liberty could not be declared unconstitutional only on account that it did not follow due process or lacked principles of natural justice. This meant that Article 21 provided no protection against competent legislative action. So my dear friends, I hope you have a better understanding pertaining to the case K Gopalan versus the State of Madras. I will come up with more important judgments, the landmark judgments of the Apex Court. Please let me know how you liked this particular brief lecture in comment box. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye-bye.